Y'all, our UFO visitor, 3-Eye Atlas, is getting stranger and stranger every day. We've covered 3-Eye Atlas a few times in the channel. In case you don't know, 3-Eye Atlas is a massive interstellar object that has entered our solar system, and it's on its way towards us. It's said to be passing Mars soon, and then it'll be out of our view. It'll proceed to hide behind the sun, as the scientists are saying, whatever that means, a place that Harvard scientist Avi Loeb believes this possible craft, could use to scope us out and send some probes. Now, the general consensus in the greater scientific community is that it is just a comet. The only problem with this comet is that it's getting stranger and stranger every day, and it's seeming more and more like Avi Loeb may just be right. This may be an artificial spacecraft flying through the cosmos. No, I don't say this simply because we cover UFOs here and I love them. I say it because of the strange things happening. Like the other day when we noticed that 3-Eye Atlas changed color. It was shimmering and glowing red. Now all of a sudden, it is glowing green. This comes after we couldn't find a tail for the longest time, which is what kind of started Avi Loeb's theory of this being potentially alien or just odd in general. We did find the tail, however, it is a rare reverse tail, but then now it changes color. And if changing color wasn't weird enough, there are studies showing that it may actually be changing its speed, which would mean that its speed isn't tied to the gravitational force that flung it or our sun. On top of all that, as 3-Eye Atlas draws closer, it is becoming more and more apparent that while we thought it was massive before, it's actually a lot bigger than we initially thought it was in the first place. This thing is freaking huge, and it's confusingly and concerningly huge, even for NASA. And you might think, okay, well, maybe we got the size wrong, or maybe there was a chemical reaction or a gaseous change that changed the color of it in space. And you know what? It's quite possible. Maybe the gravity of Jupiter gave it a pull and sped it up, which we've seen it speed up, but we've also seen it slow down. So it's a little iffy there, but it gets stranger. You see, the other day, NASA announced that the sun fired a CME directly at the 3-Eye Atlas. Like, it was weird, almost as if it aimed at it. It was a straight energy blast. Now, normally, when a comet gets hit by a straight energy blast from the sun, it starts to deteriorate, it breaks apart. We see a reaction. 3-Eye Atlas didn't give a crap. It was a direct hit, and again, even NASA saying this was a direct hit, and 3-Eye Atlas is just fine. It's moving along like nothing happened. Because of this high strangeness, all of the space agencies are now freaking out, and they're trying to rush to grab a picture, a good image of it as it passes Mars. We're trying to gather all the little robots we have on Mars and try to click some shots, get all the cameras we have in space to try to get some pictures of whatever the hell this is. As Professor Avi Loeb says, this may just be the best chance we get at looking at this object. And if it is an alien object from interstellar space, and we can tell that it is an extraterrestrial craft as opposed to a comet from these images, that will change everything. More so than disclosure, than the government saying, yeah, UFOs are... No, that image would change everything. I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you made it this far, make sure you smash that like. What are you doing? I'll see you in the next video.